Guys, I hope your preparation is going great and you all are giving your best. Today, I want to talk about the importance of notes. Notes save our time as we don't have to flip the bulky textbooks again and again. It helps us to review all the key concepts and questions quickly before the test. Notes help us understand complex topics easily as they are written in simpler words. Now that we have talked about why notes are so important, let's move on to the next part of the video in which I'll be unboxing the books sent to me by Toppersnotes, and I'm really excited to see how they look and feel, and I can't wait to share my first impressions with you. This set includes 14 books in total, in which 4 are of mathematics, 3 are of physics, and 7 are of chemistry. In chemistry, there are 3 books on physical chemistry, 2 on organic chemistry, and 2 on inorganic chemistry. These are detailed notes with important points highlighted, making revision easier. They also include a lot of questions, and the handwriting is neat and easy to read. There is also an index in every book so that you can find the topics easily and save time. These notes have been prepared with the help of previous toppers and expert faculty. They cover the complete syllabus for both JEE Mains and Advanced. They are available in both Hindi and English language. If you are looking for well structured, high quality handwritten notes that can help you revise faster and stay ahead in your preparation, this set is a great choice. You can get them from the Toppers Notes website. The link is in the description.